Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The name Ho Xiaoxian is one that is recognized around the world. This award-winning film director is known for uniquely integrating aspects of the Hakka heritage into his films. For instance, A Summer at Grandpa's is based on Hakka village life in the Tunglo Township in Miaoli County. Ho's other classics include A City of Sadness, Dust in the Wind, and countless others.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係廉習小 Joseph Lid, and we're trying to introduce more famous Hakka people here in Taiwan that you may or may not have heard of, and we've introduced several this month. So Leo， 今天呢，我們再來介紹一些有名的客家人。我們介紹了蠻多了，這個月有沒有漏掉誰呀？
其實漏掉很多了，
應該很多。
但是我今天要介紹的這個是一個很有名的討厭。
討厭啊？什麼討厭？
不是討厭，
還是要去桃園？
也不是去桃園。
什麼是討厭呢？
是導演。
導演，我還以為頭很遠，遠雷。OK，
不是。
Oh, that means a famous director that Leo is going to introduce right now. 到底是誰呀？哪一位導演？
好，他這個作品也很有名，得過獎，在國外得過獎哦。他是在9份拍的，你應該猜得到了吧？
哦，這樣子就有點印象了。當時非常有名，
非常有名，10
幾年前的時候拍的，對不對？悲情城市。
對，比請賞識。
Ah, that's right. Now I know who he's talking. Hold on. 侯孝賢。
對啦，
對不對 ？OK。
侯孝賢。
哦，他的名字也不好念哦。侯孝賢。都是 H 的聲音哈。All right, so this is a very famous director in Taiwan, and one of the most famous work he has done more than a decade ago is a movie called A City of Sadness, 也就是悲情城市, and was the first Chinese movie to have won the Golden Lion Award at the Venice Film Fest. 这当時在威尼斯影展大放異彩的就是這一部悲情城市侯孝賢的嘛。
超好。
其實他的作品還有很多，對不對？
對。
Okay, well let's review some of these terms. How do you pronounce Ho Xiaoxian, this director's name in Hakka?
Ho Hao Hian.
Ho Hao Hian. Okay, and he's a director, 导演。
討厭
不是討厭哦，是導演哦。然後他最有名的一部片子就是《悲情城市》A City of Sadness。
比請賞識。
And there you have it, another famous Hakka person in Taiwan. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼泰卡？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.